Tēnā koutou katoa, Anton Matthews here from Fush. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, in this series of videos we're going to be focusing on 10 kupu or words or phrases in te reo Māori that parents can learn and teach their children just to sort of normalise te reo Māori around the home, out in the playground, out at the supermarket, wherever. So if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in learning, then hang around and we'll catch up soon. Kia ora. Tēnā nō koutou, welcome back to Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush, and on the same sort of theme that we've been talking about already, we're learning 3 kupu, and this is the second of those 3. 3 kupu associated with toilet humour, and the idea behind this is that as parents we can use these kupu and teach these words to our tamariki, to our children, and make Te Reo Māori fun, interactive, part of everyday language, and all in the name of normalising Te Reo Māori. Really, that's the goal here. So without further ado, the second word in our series of 3 toilet humour kupu to teach your tamariki is the Māori word for going number 1, going for a wee. That is mimi. M-I, and it's pronounced mimi. Think about me, okay, me times 2. Mimi. What we kind of want to avoid is mimi. The I sound, people can get a little bit lazy and kind of just go mimi. You hear it a lot with the word mihi, okay, when actually it should be pronounced as mihi, okay, or some people say tamariki instead of tamariki, okay, so we're looking for a really strong I sound, like the letter E in your A, B, C, D, E. That E sound is what we're looking for, me, and it means to go number 1, go for a wee, go for a mimi. So you might say to everyone before they leave the house, you might be going out for a big day of walking or something, or a big day of adventure, and you might just say to all the tamariki, hey, before we leave everyone, before you chuck your shoes on, can everyone please go for a mimi, so that we don't have to stop on the side of the road, so you can go for a mimi there. Okay, and so once again, just like the last video I posted up, these sort of kupu are an awesome way to start to use Te Reo Māori around the home and encourage your tamariki to really embrace it, because you're making it fun, and you're speaking their language. You know, tamariki find toilet humour funny, so it's a great way to normalise Te Reo Māori around the home, outside in the playground, at kura, at school. So you know, use these words, teach these words to your tamariki, and let's normalise Te Reo Māori one word at a time. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō. Che. Kia ora koutou, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see heaps more just like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush, to see heaps more videos just like today's one. And don't forget that, you know, normalising Te Reo Māori is about everyone just giving it a go, practicing, having a crack at speaking Te Reo Māori. So don't be afraid to use what you've learned here today, and you know, probably the best thing you can do is find someone and teach them what you've learned today. So you sort of pass it on and normalise it that way. So look forward to having you back here next time. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō. Ciao.